Good morning, everyone. Zoom. Whoops, I started using my crafting table. I zoomed. The crafting table is mine. The chest is also mine. Everything is mine. Everything inside my house. The pressure plate is also mine. My torch. The torch is mine. If I step on this pressure plate, the door will open like that. This is my red boat. I like it a lot. I was inside. Now I am outside. Zoom. I can see something on the horizon. What is it? I don't know. Perhaps it is seaweed. Maybe it is coral. It is strange. Running on my short bridge, I will hit and break this watermelon. Like that. I like picking and planting wheat. I enjoy it. I also enjoy picking sugarcane. There we go. I picked all of the sugarcane. This is my long bridge. It is long, not short, like my short bridge, long. And now I am crouching. Why am I crouching? I don't know. That is my animal pen. I don't have any animals. Not one. I don't have any. The ocean looks very beautiful. I will pick some more sugarcane. And then I will maybe go mining. The animal pen is empty. This is white carpet. I use it to jump over the fence. Like this. I am inside the animal pen. The ocean is full of water. Not empty. Full. I jumped into the water. Zoom. I can see a squid. Squid are strange. They have strange legs. Wow. The ocean is full of animals. It is not empty. Can I see the coral reef? No, I can't. My spyglass failed to see it. I am very hungry. I am going to eat some watermelon. I am eating watermelon slices. The sand is hot. It is not cold. I know. I will eat some bread. I have some bread in my inventory. That is the sun up there. It is very hot. Ah! It is very, very, very bright. Too bright. The sun is too bright. I am eating my bread now. Next, I will put some seeds into the composter. The door will open. Like that. I will put some things into the composter and then I will get some bone meal. I can use bone meal to grow plants. There we go. I got some bone meal. And some more. I need a lot. I am getting a lot of bone meal now. Yay! I have some wheat, so I will make some bread. I was inside, now I am outside. Was, am. I will be inside. maybe at night. I am going to grow some azaleas using the bone meal. I planted this azalea here. I want it to grow. There we go. It looks very beautiful. I like the flowers. I enjoy seeing flowers. Enjoy. I enjoy Minecraft a lot. This tree is big now too. It looks strange, not beautiful. Minecraft is a little strange. I can't find my azaleas. Ah, here. I want every azalea to grow big and tall. So, this one looks strange too. Why do they look strange? I don't know. That azalea looks good. I need more bone meal. I will make some more. I am crouching again. Why? I don't know. Ow! I fell again. Falling is dangerous. I will go down into the hole again, and then I will dig some more. The hole looks empty. It isn't full of water. I am happy. Water is dangerous. Will I find something good? Like diamonds? I don't know. I want to find good things. I am using my iron pickaxe to dig the hole. I want to get an animal for my pen. One animal. Any animal. Perhaps a sheep. Maybe a pig. Any animal is okay. The animal pen is empty. I heard the sound of amethyst again. Hear, hearing, heard. It was beautiful. Damn it! I broke my pickaxe. It failed. Perhaps I need to make a new one. Maybe. Okay, going up again. I can see the sun outside. I don't like the color of the calcite. I don't like white. I like yellow, red, and orange. Grey is okay. Running over the short bridge again. Magma! If I step on this pressure plate, it will open the door. I will put things into my chest and then I will make a pickaxe. This is diorite. I don't like it. Next is calcite. I will put them in the chest. There we go. An amethyst shard. What can I make with it? I don't know. Smooth basalt again. And next is flint. I use this to make flint and steel. Next are gold nuggets. I use them to make gold bars. I use gold bars to make blocks of gold. I have a lot of gold nuggets, but not a lot of blocks of gold. I put the gold nuggets into my chest. I also have a lot of sugarcane. I can use it to make things. Yay! I got some bone meal. I can use it to grow some wheat. Damn it! I need one more. It is not full. Yay! Now I have some bone meal. I will go outside. I put some bone meal on some wheat and I am going to put some on some more wheat. I need a lot more bone meal. The good thing is I can get some wheat. I also planted some more seeds. Yay! The mud is strange. There we go. I placed a lot of seeds into the composter. The sun is very bright. I jumped into the water and I am looking at a pumpkin. It looks strange. An underwater pumpkin. Oh, I found a squid. The ocean is full of squid. The ocean is also dangerous. Thank you, Bubbles. Are there any fish? I see some seaweed. I can't see any fish. I am not happy. The ocean looks a little empty now. Wow, look at all of these bubbles. They are beautiful. I zoomed up on the bamboo. I found a fish. Hello, little fish. It looks strange. It looks yellow. Are there any white fish? Ouch! Magma can be dangerous. Now the sun is on the horizon. It is very beautiful. I like the sunset a lot. The ocean looks beautiful. I see a hole in the sand. Also some gravel. This is my mud. It is mine. Sandstone. Sand. All of it is mine. Sandstone. The ocean isn't mine. The ocean is for all. I enjoy using the spyglass. I enjoy seeing all of the animals. I enjoy zooming up on the moon. It looks strange. Yay! I can see the stars. They look big now, not small. But there are some little stars too. Oh, I placed those torches in the jungle. I want to visit the mangrove again. The bamboo is very tall. My little animal pen with no animals. I will get some. Oh, that is a cactus. And my big bridge. Big short bridge. This is a block of bamboo. My roof. Good night.